just went back to a very old friend's house and reconciled and to bless his sister. How was it going back into that house?
ऐसा आई मीन इट्स नॉट आई थिंक हम फिल्में बनाते बनाते ओवर ड्रामेटाइज करने लगते हैं उस कोठी में वापस जाते हुए कैसा लगा तो एक्चुअली जैसे पीछे ऐसा नहीं था कि कर्ज की ट्यून चल रही थी टंग 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 वी ऑल सी फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग यू आर आउटसाइडर्स यू पीपल आर पार्ट ऑफ आवर फैमिली बट जो हम सोचते हैं रिलेशनशिप्स के बारे में वो ज़रूरी नहीं कि वैसा ही हो जैसा दिखता है जैसा लगता है एक्चुअली अपने खुद के रिलेशनशिप्स में इतनी कंफ्यूजिंग होती हैं दूसरों के तो सोचने में बहुत ही अलग है वी ऑलवेज मेंटेन वी हैव लॉट ऑफ लव वी हैव लॉट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट एंड एन एसोसिएशन ऑफ नियरली 25 years not only individually between me and Salman the relationship between families children and जिंदगी में और ये बात ऐसे कुछ मैं बड़प्पन से नहीं बोल रहा हूँ आई से इट विद ऑल ह्यूमिलिटी इंशाल्लाह हम दोनों की ज़िंदगी में खुशियाँ बहुत आएँ हम शेयर कर सकें उसको और बहुत कम गम आए लेकिन कभी भी गम होगा या खुशी होगी तो हम लोग उसमें शरीक ज़रूर होंगे सो देयर वाज नथिंग स्पेशल आई जस्ट हैड टू गो टू लाइक आई सेड विश माय ओन सिस्टर आई हैव सीन हर व्हेन शी वाज वेरी स्मॉल and I wish I could go for the wedding but I had some issues that I needed to resolve at home inshallah I'll be there yeah so and it's not a big deal. Let me honestly tell you, it's not a big deal. It was just very wonderful. To be honest, whenever Salman and me meet personally, our relationship is exactly the same it's been for 25 years. Exteriorly, outside, हम दोनों पठान से हैं, मर्द से हैं, अपना एक इशू लेके घूम सकते हैं, but प्यार बहुत है. And you know, it was very wonderful. I meet the family very regularly actually. So it's not that I don't meet them regularly. And it was wonderful to go and genuinely. The essence was our sister was getting married and it was really nice to just go and feel anxious and love for her. You know, when your sister's getting married, you feel a little nervous. So both of us were anxious and felt a lot of love for her.
Tell us a little about the conversation. You said that Salman and I didn't get along from day one. Is it work-wise or is it personal?
Yeah, I actually called up Sumita later and told her, listen, it better not be the way, this headline that is going. Salman and me today are very, very good friends. But when Salman and me started working, I think Salman was about 21. I was about, I think, 16 and a half when I started doing Pathar Ke Phool. And so for me, it was suddenly starting movies because I had not really done acting classes or this and that. So when Salman used to tease me, I didn't take it right. I was not a good sport, I can say that. So we would be fighting over small things, that why are you blowing bubblegum in my face, because in a photo shoot suddenly Salman decided to blow a bubble in my face and I didn't like it, so I poked the bubble and then he got angry and I got angry and we were fighting over bubblegum, yeah, for God's sake. So it was like, meri pencil kyun li, tumne meri pencil kyun li. It was exactly like that. But all I can say is over the years, I think somewhere along there's a mutual respect and love that did happen, and is very much there between us. He is one of the only co-stars I can say. There were a lot of co-stars who claimed to be very, very good friends of mine. I made a film called Stumped, and there was a guest appearance song in it. And I first obviously went to my so-called best friends, and they had different excuses for not doing that song. Some said that song is not good, some said this is not good, that is not good. I was fine, and I called Salman. And Salman said, I said, do you want to hear the song? Do you want to see what it is? He's saying, what time do you want me to be there? And for how long? And I will be there. That is all he said. He said, I don't want to hear the song. It's your film. I said, yeah. He's saying, you just tell me. And he came at 8 o'clock sharp at Film City, shot till 2 in the night, finished the song. I was constantly checking his glass of coke and sniffing it. He's saying, "Arey yaar, I won't do this to you." So it was awesome of him. His staff did not accept any checks for the work they did. We gave them gifts. The next day they came back. They said, "Salman bhai bahut naraz hue ki aap log ne gifts bhi kyun accept kiya?" His staff even came and returned the gifts we gave them as compensation to what they'd done for us. So all I can say is that he rose very, very, very high. Somewhere in my heart, and like I said, that mutual respect and love exists, and I think he somewhere along is one of the best friends that anyone can have.
What I like about it is our relationship as a friend. He is not a friend because I worked with him. मी त्याच्यावर काम केलंय की I am a director. We are friends beyond that. We are friends because we respect each other. असं नाही की काही वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट आहे की मला त्यांनी पिक्चरमध्ये काम करावं किंवा काही की त्यांनी तो असं म्हणत नाही की मी त्याचा पिक्चर डिरेक्ट करतो म्हणून मित्र आहोत. वी आर फ्रेंड्स बस पिरियड. आणि मला सगळ्यात चांगलं ते वाटतं की ह्या इंडस्ट्रीत माझं पॅकअप झालं की माझं रिलेशनशिप संपतं इंडस्ट्रीशी. माझे मित्र कोणी नाही आहेत इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये. हिंदीमध्ये, मराठीत सगळेच आहेत माझे मित्र, पण हिंदीमध्ये कोणीच नाहीत माझे मित्र. पण एकच मित्र आहे माझा जो पॅकअप नंतर पण माझा मित्र आहे, तो सलमान आहे. म्हणजे तो रात्री अपरात्री कधी मी फोन केला तर इज ऑलवेज देअर फॉर मी. आणि आय थिंक इट इज प्युअर फ्रेंडशिप. आणि आय नो की एनी टाइम इन एनी आवर ऑफ द डे इफ आई कॉल हिम ही विल बी देअर फॉर मी.
ऐसे रिपोर्ट्स हैं सलमान खान के दोबारा फिल्मों में काम करने वाली है, काम कर रही है.
No, as of now, there is no such commitment that I'm going to work with Salman. But Salman has been a very driving force in my life. And सब लोग यही पूछते कि आप सलमान से क्यों नहीं पूछते हो, why doesn't he relaunch you? सलमान और मेरा एक बहुत ही warm relationship है जो मुझे professional में turn, I don't want to convert it into professional. It's a very soft friendship and lucky से लेके अभी तक we have been in touch throughout. And I'm happy कि वैसा ही रहे. जब काम बीच में आएगा ना तब issues create होता है and I don't want that to happen. I respect him and he and Arpita have been the reason I am an actress today, and because of me being an actress I have been able to do a lot of things in life जो शायद नहीं कर पाती. So I give everything that I am today to both of them and I'll never risk that for anything ever.
koimoi.com